Prior to mounting, remove and store door in a safe place prior to installation. These instructions are for surface mounting. 1. Place bottom of wall bracket on horizontal line and mark holes on wall. 2. Drill 5/16 8 mm hole for wall anchor and place wall anchor and hole. 3. Mount bottom bracket to wall with wood screws. Slide the C-clips into the screw channel at the top of the cabinet. Be sure that the C-clips lock into the grooves, and mark holes on wall. 5. Detach cabinet. Drill 5/16 8 mm hole for wall anchor and place wall anchor and hole. 6. Lift the cabinet and place the cabinet onto the mounting bracket, and mount the C-clips with wood screws. 7. Attach side keep mirrors to cabinet using supplied screws. Mirror should be even with front of cabinet flange and flush with the top and bottom of the cabinet. Repeat for opposite side. 8. Line hinges up against hinge mounting doors. Snap in top position. These instructions are for recess mounting. 1. Make rough opening and frame on all sides. Find the specific model dimensions to make rough opening. 2. Place cabinet in rough in and make sure cabinet is plumb and level. Install the wood screw through the hole in cabinet and screw into wall stud. 3. Line hinges up against hinge mounting doors, snap in top position. 4. Insert the shelf brackets into the side holes and snap the shelf.